Hello everybody and welcome to this video. In this video we are going to talk about the column widgets and also the row widgets. So what are these widgets? Let's go inside. First, starting with column widgets. The column widgets is a kind of widget that it contains other widgets inside, like when we are putting a widget below each other, so we need a column widget to arrange them vertically, means to put the widgets vertically. Like when we are using column, we are putting widgets vertically below each other and till our screen is full of widgets. And the alignment of the main axis alignment for the column widget is vertically the main axis alignment, and the cross axis alignment is horizontally. And let's go to the row widgets. Row widgets also a kind of widget that it contains the other widget inside opposite of column. We can draw our widgets beside each other horizontally. Like this is a widget and I can put another widget beside another widget till our screen is full of widgets. And also the main axis alignment for the row widgets is horizontally and the cross axis alignment is vertically. Now let's go implement them in our code, that how we can use them in our code. Okay, I already created a simple project for you which has home, scaffold, app bar, a text widget, row and column, and body center widget, text, hello Ali. And let's go, if I want to put some other widgets below this text widget, I cannot put inside of the center widget. I need a column widget. A column widget has children that we can add as many widgets as our screen contains. So now let's wrap this center widget with a column widget by clicking on center widget, control dot, and wrap this with a column widget. Now a column widget and a center widget inside its children. Inside the children we can add multiple widgets by putting a comma. Like now I'm going to add a simple elevated button which has on pressed and child text, click me, and a comma, control S. Now we have a text and a button widget in our column. But how we can bring them in the center of our column? A column has a main axis alignment. Main axis alignment, dot, we can put dot value, dot center, dot end, and other. We can choose these properties, but now we want to bring to the center. I choose the center and control asset. Now we have our widgets in the center of our app. So if you want to add another widgets after putting comma, you can add like outline button, or it's deprecated, you can add an outlined button which has on pressed and a child text widget, press, putting a comma, and at the end we can put also a comma and save it. Now we have our outline button also below the elevated button. We can also put a text button for better understanding of the column. So for now it has no any on click, and text could be anything, hello, and again a comma, can control S it. Now we have our text button also below the others. So now we can go in this properties by pressing dot. We can choose, for example, end. If we put and control asset, all the widgets will be at the end of the column. If we put the start in here and save it, it will be on the start of our column. Also, we have something else which is useful: space evenly. Space evenly, if we control asset, it will make space between the widgets and fill our columns. All the space are the same size. And this was the column widgets that we can use in our app by putting all the widgets below each other or vertically. So now let's go for the row widgets, that how we can put the widgets inside the row widget. So now let's go and implement the row widget, that how it works. I'm going to delete the column and by typing row, and this row has a children. It has a center widget. Center widget has a child text which is saying hello all, and now save. Now we have hello here. We can put another widget by going put a comma and add elevated button which has on pressed and has a child text. Click me. I forgot to put on bracket and Control S. Now we have row wise, like as we saw before. In a row widget we can put widget horizontally. On that time we are using row widgets. So now we can put as many widgets as we can fill our screen. So now I'm going to put a comma here and add another widget. Outlined button has on pressed and a text child by press, call it press, and put a comma at the end and Control asset, and here you are. We have three widgets, arranging them or add them horizontally in a row. As we work on column, that we can bring them at the center of our row by going in our row widget and main axis alignment. Main axis alignment and main axis alignment dot center. Control S. Now we have all our widgets in the center of our row. We can also separate them spacing evenly or end, and also start or end, and Control S, and now we have three widgets arranged horizontally inside our row widgets. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you learned something from this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and if you like it, thumbs up.